Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Sonos for smart home audio integration, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Sonos website at www.sonos.com. Locate the sign up button in the top right corner of the home page. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Re-enter your password to confirm it. Provide your first and last name in the appropriate fields. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Review the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. If prompted, indicate your preferences for communications. Click the Create Account button to submit your information. Look for a verification email in your inbox from Sonos. Open the verification email and click the provided link. Return to the Sonos website to access your account. Log in using your newly created email and password. Explore the dashboard to begin integrating your smart home audio system. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your Sonos speakers. Download the Sonos app on your smartphone or tablet. Open the Sonos app and log in with your account credentials. Allow the app access to your local network for proper device discovery. Follow the setup instructions in the app to add speakers. Customize your audio settings according to your preferences. Consider linking music streaming services for seamless integration. Test your setup by playing audio through your Sonos system. Enjoy your new smart home audio experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.